your Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. You know what happened? I tell you, every Saturday I normally make porridge and Friday I normally make porridge. But I like to stick to my Jamaican cornmeal porridge, plantain porridge, oats porridge, and all this kind of mix up and thing. But I want to give you guys another porridge again. It is going to be plantain with some oats and cornmeal bits and pieces. But I'm always stick to my own tradition. I'm always give it a tweet and all them thing there. So stay tuned and please enjoy the recipe. Subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Drink soup, build up your immune system, and you know what I mean, clean up your immune system with porridge and all them thing there. And we're gonna have a lot of things towards coming, guys. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Watch my video. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try to give you my best recipe them in this whole entire world for you to make at home. Nice and lovely, guys. And basically I'm gonna say to you, I have some coconut milk. I'm using the low fat coconut milk, and I'm just gonna put roughly about quarter cans inside of my blender right here, guys. That's you guys can definitely make this one at home. So I just want you guys to just enjoy this one, and you know what I mean, and see the way I make it. All right, so first of all, I have 2 packs of oats, and I'm using the original oats, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of it just like this. Okay, you guys can see exactly what's going on at the moment. Anyway, at the moment right here I have my pot on the stove with some water at the moment, which is gonna be boiling up. So I got 1.5 of green plantain. I love green plantain porridge, guys. You know what I mean? Almost every Saturday I make green plantain porridge for you. You know what I mean? It's just something different. Cut it up, put inside of your blender, just like what Chef Ricardo been doing right here. It's not too complicated. Alright, get your plantain, cut off the 2 top bits them, and that's simple. Oh, this seems like it's ripe. What's going on here? Well, on there, look like the plantain ripe. Alright, you know what happened? I'm gonna do a different recipe. So we got cornmeal. Got this bit, I don't like how this bit feel. Now, we got cornmeal, oats, and plantain. That's what we're going to use today. Alright? That's what we're going to use today. Cornmeal, plantain, and oats. So I got some cornmeal in my cupboard here, which I'm going to be using. Alright, now I'm going to put roughly about 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons. I just pour it from the bag. And I'm gonna put some water in it. Roughly about 1/2 cups of water. Nice and lovely. So basically I just finished blend it right here. That's it is right there, guys. It is amazing. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful Jamaican porridge. Nice and lovely. So basically I have roughly 4 cups of water inside of this. Alright, now we're gonna put my mixture. And I'm gonna simply give it a lovely little whisk. Now I'm gonna simply rinse out the pan just like this with a little bit of water. Give it a whisk. That is lovely and nice, guys. Look at that. Yeah. This is a real authentic Jamaican porridge, and this is even good for your immune system, you know. Build up your immune system with natural ingredients at home, you know. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically we're going to sweeten the Jamaican porridge. Alright, first of all, vanilla. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Jamaican nutmeg. Cinnamon. Very good for you. Yeah, cinnamon is really good for you guys. And this can help you to build your immune system, you know. All of these things I'm telling you about, natural ingredients. Mixed spice, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Mixed spice. Big spice him up, you know. We'll be using some sea salt. Give it a whisk. I'm gonna use some Jamaican sweet condensed milk. Sweeten and taste as it goes along, guys. Don't do a Chef Ricardo though. You know what I mean? I'm a chef and I know what I'm doing. So I'm just pouring it from the can. Nice and lovely. So basically, I have it roughly about 10 minutes now, and a medium-sized eat. So what I'm going to do now is share it up. All right, enjoy it. Nice and lovely. Here it is. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. And fantastic. Alright, this is what's gonna happen. You know what I mean? Every time I make the porridge, this I normally do. I just pour it out like that. Beautiful and nice. Enjoy, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Drink porridge and build up your immune system with green juice and, you know, natural remedy at home. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.